What's up, guys? MX Guru here. Finally made it over to pick up some parts today, so I wanted to go through them with you and show you what goodies we got. What's up, guys? So I'm going to go over the load we brought home today from the shop. Had a decent little haul of stuff today. So we'll start off. There's some Starcross 5 tires. We're going to have a lot of tires, so expect some tire changing live streams soon. Some IRC dual sport tires to go on a WR 450. Got some Emig lock-on grips, gray. This is a universal turn signal switch for a dual sport or supermoto. Couple extra brake levers for Cowie 450s. Here's some Risk Racing grips for, I believe, an XR 650s. These are going on. Another Wiseco bottom end kit. This is going on that YZ250. Got 4 pair of Maverick motocross boots. 12-inch Sedona rear tire to go on that KX60. There's the chain to go on that one. Front brake pads, 185s. And a chain guide block for all the late model Cowies. And that's it. So yeah, we got a pretty good amount of projects to get started on. At least 5 tires to change. That bottom end project will keep us busy for a day. Chain to put on. It's gonna be a fun weekend. No plans really, just be in the garage all weekend. Ryan is on his way here to pick up this 14. It's kind of bittersweet for me. It will allow me to pay off a couple things I need to pay off, but I'll be down to 1,450 for the first time in 5 or 6 years, which gives me a little anxiety, to be honest. But it'll be cool. We'll save up and grab another one. Still got the 2 strokes, which honestly they deserve a little more ride time anyway. So yeah, it'll be a good weekend of doing some wrenching. This is the gas tank for the CRF 230 project that we picked up a few months ago, and it's just kind of been sitting. If you guys remember correctly, the reason we got a deal on it was because the fuel tank leaks and the exhaust is pretty much gone. Well, the fuel tank from Honda is $200 for this thing. Didn't really want to grab one for that, so I kind of just thought I'd bide my time, and eventually one popped up on eBay. This one popped up for like $79 shipped a couple days ago, so I jumped on it, dude. I had to jump on it. Yeah, so there it is. Pretty extensive tank. So, I am going to do a breakdown on the CRF 230 and the money we have in that project, but so far we're at $500 for the bike, $79 for the tank, $10 for the grips I haven't installed yet. Had an air filter laying around, so we're still at less than $600, and we have a running machine, and we're almost, putting exhaust on it. We'll have a nice running machine, so pretty excited about that. Okay, this box is, okay, I've been having some problems with the TTR 125. I put a $50, the best rebuild kit you can do. I really went through that carb, put some effort into it, and it runs great. But after it sits for a couple days, it does not want to start. So, I don't know. This is a $16 Chinese carb from eBay, and I basically got this as an insurance policy. If I can't get that carb figured out, I'm going to throw this one on there and just see how it does. I mean, it's just crazy that this carb is cheaper. This whole carb from China is cheaper than one jet out of that Japanese carb. I'm kind of anxious. Obviously, it says keying on it there. That's obviously fake. It is not a real keying carb. But I'm just kind of anxious to see how it's going to run with this cheap carb on there. And I don't know. I'd like to try it and see. So I'll probably make a video about that. What I'm really interested in today is the KLX 110 parts came. The correct ball bearing and seal for the cushion drive, as well as these little brake pads. If you remember, I ordered these from California off eBay because they were $10 for this whole setup, and if you ordered them from Cali, it was $13, $13, $6, and $6 plus shipping. And even trying to order some EBCs was like $20 for all of it, plus shipping. So I just got this. I had to wait a little longer, but oh well, they're here now. I'm sure they'll work fine. I don't like to do cheap Chinese stuff on a lot of stuff. I like to do quality components. But when it comes to brake pads on a $300 pit bike or something like that, I will make an exception. So yeah, so we got some parts here to work with. I also, when I was trying to work on the KLX a couple days ago, I realized that the tube was shot, so I'm going to have to break that down and put a tube in that. I'm going to try to get a tire on this DR this evening. I'm going to put one of these Ching Shings on the front. It's perfect just to beat up and down the gravel road and just wear it down on the hard top, because it's just, I have 3 cheap used ones laying around. So I'm going to do that, and got another wheel out front here off a newer YZ450, and going to try to get a tube thrown in that today too. So probably work on this KLX for a while, and then probably throw up a live stream of I like to do a live stream whenever I'm doing tire changes or anything like that. Just gives me a little time to chat. But yeah, hopefully I'll be ripping on that pit bike here in a little bit. Oh, and we got some forks in. Got some customer forks shipped in today, so they're off a WR250F. So gonna get started on those. I'll have a video up on those. And if anybody else is out there and needs their fork seals done on any dirt bikes, any dual sport, I mean, we can even do the street bikes. We don't like them as much, but yeah, send them in to us. We got a pretty quick turnaround, and I mean, you'll see them done on video, so you can't beat that.